Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to enable energy saver on this laptop. To do it, you have to right click the battery icon on the status bar, go to power and sleep settings, expand the energy saver menu, and to enable energy saver manually, switch this toggle to the right. If you want to switch it automatically, you have to select one of the values on this list, and this is the battery level at which you want the energy saver to turn on automatically. If you select always, your energy saver will turn on once your device is unplugged from the power source. And by switching this toggle, you can you can turn off or on the feature that lowers your screen brightness when you're using energy saver. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.